Machine learning, as we know, is everywhere. Right from Google search engine to Siri, Alexa, spam email filters, Netflix, data privacy, chatbots, Amazon, GPS, Facebook, I can keep on going. It is there and we use it every day. It is so much prevalent in our life. And soon we will see self driving cars flying on our road only because of machine learning. It is made possible only because of machine learning. So, machine learning is everywhere and its use is only going to expand in future. But what exactly is machine learning? How does it empower these tools? That is what you should understand. Is it some kind of classical computer programs where we write thousands and thousands of lines of codes, or it is a lot of data, or is it fancy visualizations, or it is mathematics? Is it some kind of robot, or it's just a miracle happening with machine? And all these things, data, robot, fancy visualization and classical program. I know if you are new to machine learning, you must be as confused as I was when I started with machine learning. There are so many things being talked about machine learning, right from mathematics to robotics to visualizations. It is easy to get confused. So that's why I will first take you through how machine learning is related to all of this and what exactly is machine learning. As we know, in classical programs, we write algorithm. That means we write lines of code using variables addressing all possible scenarios which can happen in the application where this classical program is going to be used. We don't know what all can happen. So in the code, in our algorithm, we try to address every possible scenario. And that application will not work beyond the scenarios which are coded in the classical program. It is constrained to the scenarios which is covered using algorithms and the variables in the classical program. But what if I already know all those scenarios? Like my program is going to be working on the data and I already have a sample of that data. That means I know what all scenario can exist. That means I do not have to code for all those scenarios because I have a data. I have set of data on which this classical program is going to work. So I will instead write a formula and fit that formula on the data so that when the next set of data comes, I just have to apply this formula to that data and it will work. And that's called also called data mining. And when it comes to data, it comes to writing mathematical formula, it's also data science. And what is machine learning? Machine learning is combination of all of this. Machine learning is combination of computer programming, understanding the features, understanding the data, and somehow using all of this try to predict the behavior of what is going to happen next. I think that's too much for first lecture. As long as you are able to understand the relation of machine learning with programming, data, and the involved feature, it is more than enough. You will understand much more of it when you actually do hands-on practice and you uh, make your hands dirty. So I will see you in next lecture.